Hi, hello mabuhay! Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Hardy ni Mayora. I am Earl, or my friends call me Mayora. So, hence, Hardy ni Mayora. So, on this video, I am going to tour you around the collection of, not exactly collection, the Sansevierias of Sir Michael Angelo Sadsad that is or that are in Isabela. I am from Isabela. Isabela is a province of the Philippines. But Sir Michael is actually from Laguna. So mostly of his collection are in Laguna and in Taguig. So what are available in Isabela are the ones that he is selling, the ones he imported from Indonesia. Yan. So this will only be a short video because he only has a small number of Sansevieria that are available in Isabela. Actually, his plants, his Sansevierias are in the greenhouses where he is working. So this is also a notification to everyone, especially to my new subscribers, that this will be my last video for 2024. As I mentioned, or as I put in my channel description, I am an OFW. OFW is or stands for Overseas Filipino Worker. I work overseas and I am already back in my work overseas. Hence, this will be my last video for 2024 because I can only take videos regarding garden tours or about Sansevieria collection during my annual vacation leave. And that will be maybe 2025 or early 2026. But I am thankful to everyone who is supporting me, who is supporting my YouTube channel. To my new subscribers, thank you very much for the likes and comments and for the appreciation on the efforts I put in my videos. So I'll see you again come 2025 or early 2026. So enjoy the video and thank you very much again. And always choose to be happy and always choose to be kind. Bye! Mabuhay!
Ulo.
May umorder, isang
Meron siyang ano sir?
na sunburn.
Ay, sunburn lang yun?
Yung marami ko kasi nasa Taguig talaga. Yan, bago yan. White na Stella.
Matagal ka na pala dito, sir. 1 year?
Ang ganda nun. Oh, ano yun? White yun? Yun yung Stella yun?
Oh, white Stella yun.
Ang pretty. Itong pingui.
Ito yung mga pingi ko ba. Ito yung isang rare na pingi. Yung Ambrose, yung white bar na silvery.
Ay, oo nga. Iba yung type ng silver ng kanya. Ang Rorida.
Yan. 2.5 lang yan.
2.5.
Ang hirap ng malaki. Mahal yun.
2.5?
Yung kay Ma'am Rochelle nga, nabenta niya ng 7,000.
Ay, di ka ba't
Dahon,
titira
parang
dyan?
ano lang.
2.5. Opo.
Kasi ito, hybrid ko to.
What more pa
State
dagita?
California. Itong Cleopatra. Ito yung sabi nung isang buyer nun. Bumili yung nanay ko ng variegated Cleopatra. Ganun palang presyo niya, sir. Parang motorsiklo naman.
Oo.
Bagong labas. Yung bagong
Yung
labas.
bagong labas pa. Ngayon nga, parang 5,000, 10,000 ang maliit na pack.
Pero pag
Ito, mga output na to na estudyante ko, from Lip Pro pa rin to.
Sila?
Ayan, ayan.
Rubber.
Yung first, ano ko, first.
Ay, sa personal mo to, sir, no? Mga to.
Oo.
Inuwi mo. Blue?
Blue, bot na variegated. Yan yung galing sa Hawaii.
Ang ganda din.
Hawaii?
Mm.
Regalo sa'yo?
Hindi, ayun yung inuwi nila Boyat na
Ganigan.
ganigan, yung galing kay kay Tagitos, ano pangalan na yun, yung breeder ng Tagito?
Orchids?
Hindi ng Sunset.
Sa Hawaii talaga?
Yun
Okay, yung sa Kwan. Nabasa ko ulit. I remember. Nasa Kwan yun, nasa journal.
Yes, journal yan.
Oo, taga Hawaii nga yun.
Basta pag may dumating ako na halaman,
Na may
pag
damage.
may kahit walang damage, bawas agad.
Para may
Para
maiwan.
may maiwan, kung mabili man, may maiwan. Ito compacted na tower to. Yan, galing Indonesia. Di ba nagtatanong ka ng mga variegated na blue Q? Ito, maliliit.
Sino nga kasinsin mo, Charo?
Ito yung tinira ko na white na
Blue clone.
Super niya.
Ganda.
Super puti.
Ang ganda nitong kung na to, tower na to na compact kung. Anong kwan to, sir? Honey eye?
Green mold. Honey eye.
Hybrid na rin yan?
Para mutation yan.
Mutation, okay. So, cultivar na.
Ito, may umorder sa akin ng pang
Souvenir.
souvenir. Hindi kinuha.
Nala!
Bakit yan?
Sabi ko, ang dami ko tuloy marga ngayon.
Binili mo pa yan or sarili mo
Binili
naman?
ko.
Ali.
Kuha ko naman ng mura.
Mga sold.
Oh, yun,
Sold.
mga sold.
Reserve.
Pang souvenir ang